severe cough, and I had a very high temperature. My temperature was 104 before past 3 weeks. I was really sick during Deepavali time, and the cough hasn't stopped yet, but it is under control. And I'm burning and blazing away all the virus entities through the Speak One. And the sleep was very less for me. When I started healing my pineal gland, what happened was when I rotated for the third time, I automatically fall into sleep. Without knowing me, I kept the wand down and I started sleeping. This was my great experience. I have very deep sleep nowadays. After getting this pink wand, I have a very deep sleep, in which sleep is very essential for all the women. Because if we sleep well only, then the very next day we'll be able to get up and work and take care of the entire family. It is helping me a lot, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.